today, ang dami talagang ganap, guys. Oh my God. So today is Iko's birthday. So she is there, okay? And the other is, they're my Chinese friends. I forgot. Will you introduce yourself again?
Hello, I'm Nico. Okay, yesterday is my birthday. So can you tell me happy birthday?
Chinese.
Okay, happy birthday in Chinese is 生日快乐.
Okay.
So my friend gave me this birthday cake. So you can say birthday cake in Chinese is 生日蛋糕. Birthday cake is 生日蛋糕.
Okay. Please enjoy, okay, your cake. And this is mine, okay? And she also gave me this for energy drink because it's so difficult to climb the stairs. Oh my God. Daming ganap. Tingnan na tayo. Diyos ko. Ang haba-haba ng stairs dito. Kakapagod. This is so pretty. What's your name?
My name is Reese.
Thank you.
Thank
This is
you
my
so
new
much.
friend. And the other one is Eko. So today we will be having our small talk, okay?
Okay.
I'm vlogging. Just look there. Don't look at me. Hit ka sa akin. Okay, traffic pa rin. So, sa ano guys, sa mga launan ha, sobrang init naman kaninang umaga, ulan. Ulan, init, isda sa langit. Ayan, di ba masyadong traffic? Grabe. Yung ibang tao, yung life nila nasa plane, yung life ko naman nasa motorbike. Dito ako nakagat ng aso. Gabi na yun. Dito mismo ako nakagat ng aso guys, last time. May mga bulldozer dyan, ayan. Walang katapusan yung pagsira at saka gawa nila ng daan guys. As in, for lifetime na yan. Itong si Kuya naman, focus lang ang pagkatanong sa akin kung matagal na ba ako dito, may asawa na ba ako.